Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get a refund from Rocket Money. Before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about what Rocket Money is. Rocket Money is a subscription service that helps you save money by automatically canceling unused subscriptions, negotiating bills, and finding ways to save on everyday purchases. It's a great tool for anyone who wants to save money without having to do a lot of work. But what if you're not happy with Rocket Money? Maybe you're not saving as much money as you expected, or maybe you're just not using the service as much as you thought you would. In either case, you may want to request a refund. So, how do you get a refund from Rocket Money? The first thing you need to do is contact Rocket Money customer support. You can do this by either emailing them or calling them. Once you've contacted customer support, they will ask you for some information about your account, such as your email address and your subscription ID. They will also ask you why you want to cancel your subscription. Once Rocket Money has all the information they need, they will process your refund. The refund will typically be processed within 3 to 5 business days. Here are some things to keep in mind when requesting a refund from Rocket Money. You can only request a refund within 30 days of signing up for the service. You will not be able to get a refund if you have already used the service for more than 30 days. You may be charged a cancellation fee. You may be able to get a partial refund if you have only used the service for a short period of time. If you have any questions about how to get a refund from Rocket Money, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. In addition to the information above, here are some additional tips for getting a refund from Rocket Money. Be polite and respectful when you contact customer support. Be clear and concise in your request. Be patient. It may take some time for Rocket Money to process your refund. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.